हरे कृष्णा। क्लास 11th बायोलॉजी यूनिट 1 से हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। यूनिट 1, डाइवर्सिटी इन द लिविंग वर्ल्ड। बायोलॉजी इज द साइंस ऑफ लाइफ फॉर्म्स एंड लिविंग प्रोसेसेस। द लिविंग वर्ल्ड comprises an amazing diversity of living organisms. Early man could easily perceive the difference between inanimate matter and living organisms. Early man defied some of the inanimate matter, wind, sea, fire, etc., and some among the animals and plants. A common feature of all such forms of inanimate and animate objects was the sense of awe or fear that they evoked. The description of living organisms, including human beings, began much later in human history. Societies which indulged in anthropocentric view of biology could register limited progress in biological knowledge. Systematic and monumental description of life forms brought in out of necessity detailed system of identification, nomenclature and classification. The biggest spin-off of such studies was the recognition of the sharing of similarities among living organisms both horizontally and vertically, that all present day living organisms are related to each other and also to all organisms that ever lived on this earth was a revelation which humbled man and led to cultural movements for conversation of biodiversity. In the following chapter of this unit, you will get a description including classification of animals and plants from a taxonomist perspective.